New York records first polio case in over a decade. July 21st, 2022 at 3:05 p.m. A case of polio has been identified outside New York City and confirmed by federal health officials. New York State Health Department said on Thursday it would be the nation's first known case of the disease in at least 30 years. Testing suggested the Rockland County case of the highly contagious virus may have originated outside of the U.S. The department said in a statement, "We are monitoring the situation closely and working with the New York State Department of Health and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention to respond to this emergent public health issue to protect the health and well-being of county residents." Rockland County Health Commissioner Patricia Rupert said in a statement. The CDC, which confirmed the case, has said no cases of polio have originated in the United States since 1979. However, the virus has been brought into the country by travelers with polio. The last time this happened was 1993. Now, my daughter's born in 1993, so that was 29, almost 30 years ago. Polio symptoms include flu-like symptoms such as sore throat, fever, tiredness, and nausea, the CDC says. Polio invades the nervous system and can cause irreversible paralysis within hours. It cannot be cured, but infection can be prevented by getting a vaccine. And a dramatic reduction in cases worldwide in recent decades have been due to intense national and regional immunization campaigns in babies and children. In the late 1940s, before polio vaccines were available, outbreaks of the virus disabled about 35,000 Americans each year, especially children and those who lived in areas where sanitation is poor. In June, polio was detected in sewage samples in London, the first sign since 1980s that the virus could be spreading in England, but no cases have been found, authorities said. How did it get here? And they said may have come from out of the United States. So how did this one person get it? Are we going to find more cases? What's going on in Rockland County, everyone? Down here, we gotta put those, they're shaped like this, and they'll go on the ground, but they're really, really long. So, there's those, U things that go, in there. Stake all the way around the bottom, just in case. And then when we get the trees down, the fence will be movable, although that'll be a pain in the butt. I think Jeff could just do it with a crane. Yeah, scratch butt. These guys are out looking nice. Yeah, it's a good girl. It's a good girl. Yeah. So, we were going to put a gate here, but for right now, because we're trying to hurry up and do this, we're going to wait on the expense of the gate. So we're just going to have a gate down here at the end of the walk and over there for now. Right, babies? What do you got going on here? You're all messed up. Oy. You're probably sick of mommy getting in your face, huh? So today she looks less swollen in some places and still swollen in others. And her eyes still, kind of red. This is the chain link fence gates, and then this is the hardware. This will get drilled into the post, And then this piece here, this logo on this, and then there's the hardware, and then it goes into there. And we're ordering something for the latch. There's another piece, but no store around here has any. So for now, we're either going to wait till those come in, or we're going to tie the fence gates shut. We got a tarp full of grass clippings over there that need to go out back into the mulch. Well, anyways, we're not going to be working on this tonight. We have a whole to do here. So we're gonna put a post up by the house and push that in with this wire. That crow's nuts. And the gates. Everything else is done. And then we'll have to do the gate there as well. And this is the gates that we decided to get. They're the adjustable. So we got two. And then what we'll do over here eventually, this was supposed to be a gate, but due to money and cost, when we get the money, we can cut the wire, and then we'll get the gate for that opening. But eventually the fence will go all the way around our whole property, all the way out front and out back. But this part here is just to keep Dani up close to the house. Even when we have the other fence, we're not gonna have her out there. But this gate here will allow us to come out with a fence, so that way we can allow her out back, and then shut this gate to not allow her out front and just keep her out back, and so on. Keep her out front, not out back. But I got some cleanup to do with some stone and a poop. But taking a break today. I did house cleaning and pickup, and I hung out with Crazy Irish and Justin God and all of them over there today.